5:45 a.m. in the morning, and my dog brought in this. Oh, there he goes. My wife's like, catch it! All right, calm down, calm down. No one's gonna hurt you. No one's gonna hurt you. Go. Good morning. Pretty well camouflaged. I can't even see him. Don't worry, buddy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Let me just carry you and the plant outside. Is that cool? Alright. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get outside and he's gonna fly right out of this plant. Right when we get into the open air. Don't fly. Open the, oh, damn it. All right, well, at least he went back in the room. This ought to be fun. Good morning. I'm just going to go back to bed. Welcome to your new home, bird. Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's dinner. Come on, let's go outside. You ain't getting away now, little guy. Only took me like 20 minutes to find the damn thing again. All right, here we go. You ready? Now you better fly off to make this a happy ending. You ready? Here we go. Don't fly into... Bye. I did it. Later. Subscribe.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to say a quick hi. I finally caught that bird underneath a towel in the bathroom. He like blended in like a chameleon. He also, when he was flying overhead, he actually crapped on me, which I found later on my shirt. Thank you, little bird. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you guys have been up to, how you been, and what is your New Year's resolution gonna be. All right, I'm out. Have a great holiday break. Bye.